Good day everyone, mabuhay! I am Jacob E. Flores, BHHM1, Section 1. Welcome to MZM Cafe located in Valencia City, Bukidnon. As we walk inside, inviting me, atmosphere, the warm and bright. Atmosphere will come to use strongly. The coffee has a comforting vibe that makes you feel comfortable the moment you step in and brought the door and simple. Aesthetic for student friends or anyone placed towards the counter we are talking about, and their place is beautiful and good service. And their menus are very affordable and their foods are very delicious. So, what are you waiting for? Order now. Delicious yet affordable and good quality. Sana all.